A study of 800 people with stage 3 colon cancer getting treatment with chemotherapy found that those patients who are eating 2 handfuls of tree nuts a week, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, cashews, macadamia, pine nuts, they actually had a 50% decrease in the risk of mortality.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author of Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself, and Eat to Beat Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Do not disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or seen in this video. Cancer is a complex disease influenced by various factors, but research shows that diet can play a significant role in its prevention and management. Dr. Li emphasizes that certain foods contain powerful compounds that can help reduce inflammation, support the immune system, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. By making mindful food choices, individuals can potentially lower their risk of developing cancer and support overall health. In this video, you'll discover the vegan foods Dr. Li recommends to fight disease and promote overall health. Tofu. Tofu is a nutritional powerhouse recommended by Dr. Li for its remarkable ability to fight cancer and promote gut health. This plant-based food is rich in isoflavones, particularly genistein and daidzein, which have been extensively studied for their anti-cancer properties.
So what's in tofu? Tofu actually has natural chemicals, bioactives called genistein and daidzein, and these actually activate your brown fat, your healthy fat, that can start burning down your harmful fat. So it's a metabolism activator.
These compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, the process of programmed cell death that helps rid the body of potentially cancerous cells. Additionally, the isoflavones in tofu possess strong anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce chronic inflammation, a known contributor to the development and progression of many cancers. Tofu is also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, both of which are essential for a healthy gut.
But the key thing for me with mapo tofu is that it's protein, it's great flavor, and it's got healthy bioactives in it as well. Good for your health defenses and good for your metabolism.
A diet rich in fiber supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. A balanced gut microbiome is not only important for digestion but also for boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. Furthermore, tofu is low in calories and high in protein, making it a satisfying addition to meals without contributing to weight gain. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for cancer prevention, as obesity is a risk factor for several types of cancer. According to a study published in Frontiers in Nutrition, there is a growing interest in understanding how soy products, including tofu, may impact cancer risk.
That has been shown to be beneficial. Some people might be surprised to hear this. Soy foods, not processed soy, not artificial, not synthetic stuff, but actual soy. I'm not talking about plant-based meats. I'm talking about real tofu, tempeh, soy milk has been shown to reduce the risk of breast cancer.
The study reviewed various research articles to see if eating soy could help reduce the chances of developing cancer or dying from it. The researchers looked at many studies that focused on people's diets and tracked their health over time, specifically examining how much soy they consumed, including tofu and other soy foods. The findings from this analysis suggested that higher soy intake might be linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer. For example, in a study involving women in Shanghai, it was found that for every additional 5 grams of soy consumed daily, there was an 8% decrease in the risk of colorectal cancer among postmenopausal women. Tofu contains phytoestrogens, plant-derived compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. These can help regulate hormone levels and have been shown to reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. One of the practical reasons Dr. Li recommends tofu is its versatility. It can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from stir-fries and salads to smoothies and desserts. Flaxseed. Dr. Lee recommends flaxseed for its powerful benefits in fighting cancer and promoting gut health.
So you're asking, though, are there any other ways of getting healthy fats? I mean, look, many nuts and flax seeds all contain healthy fats.
Flaxseed is an excellent source of lignans, which are plant compounds that have both antioxidant and estrogen-like properties. These compounds can help reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers such as breast and prostate cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing tumors from forming. Additionally, flaxseed is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a significant risk factor for many types of cancer, and the alpha-linolenic acid in flaxseed helps reduce this inflammation, thereby lowering cancer risk. Flaxseed is also a superb source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in flaxseed supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and overall gut health. A healthy gut microbiome can help protect against colorectal cancer and other digestive disorders. The high fiber content of flaxseed also aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting overall colon health. Furthermore, seeds like flaxseed, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds are nutrient-dense snacks that contain bioactives called lignans. One specific lignan, known as secoisolarisoresinol diglucoside, has been shown to stimulate the formation of new blood vessels in the heart after a heart attack. Researchers from the Molecular Cardiology and Angiogenesis Laboratory at the University of Connecticut Health Center conducted an experiment where lab rats were fed a high cholesterol diet and then had an experimental heart attack induced. The rats were divided into two groups, with one group receiving a diet that contained SDG. The results were remarkable. The animals fed the seed bioactive had a twofold increase in the angiogenic growth factor known as vascular endothelial growth factor, 33% more new blood vessels in their hearts, and their hearts pumped blood 22% more efficiently compared to the control group. Additionally, the size of the tissue damaged by the heart attack was 20% smaller in the SDG-fed animals.
I also want to say that you can get omega-3s from eating plant-based foods, because some plant-based foods, like chia seeds and flax seeds and walnuts and Brussels sprouts, they actually have the precursor to omega-3s that when you eat them, your body can make some omega-3s as well, although not very much. And so there's different ways of getting omega-3s. And the reason I, as a scientist and a doctor, tell people, including my patients, that omega-3s are important to know about and important to consume is because we know they help cardiovascular health. They're associated with a lower risk of heart disease. They improve your circulation, which is important. Whether you're a young person who's physically active, you need more blood flow to your muscles on one hand, but on the other hand, there are people that are older that need better blood flow to their brain and other organs as well. But when we think about good cognition, we want to be able to actually be vital and functional for as long as we're able to with our lifespan. Omega-3s play a role there as well.
Seeds containing SDG, like flaxseed, have another benefit. They are high in dietary fiber, which can lower cholesterol as well as feed the gut microbiome. This adds other useful layers of benefit that can protect your heart and overall health. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in flaxseed also makes it an excellent food for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for cancer prevention, as obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers. Flaxseed is versatile and can be easily incorporated into a daily diet, whether sprinkled on cereals, blended into smoothies, or added to baked goods. This ease of use ensures that its health benefits can be consistently enjoyed, aligning perfectly with Dr. Lee's recommendations for foods that combat cancer and enhance gut health. Beans. Dr. Lee recommends beans for their impressive health benefits, especially in fighting cancer and keeping your gut healthy. Beans are full of dietary fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. The high fiber content in beans helps the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which are essential for digestion, your immune system, and overall gut health.
Perspective is it's fermented bean. Beans are good for your metabolism. They've got dietary fiber, which is good for gut health. Gut health is important for lipid control, for metabolism, for lowering inflammation.
A balanced gut can protect against colon cancer and other digestive problems. Plus, the fiber in beans helps keep your bowel movements regular, preventing constipation and promoting overall colon health. Beans are also packed with essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them great for those on a plant-based diet. The protein in beans helps repair and build body tissues. Beans are rich in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to cancer development. By reducing inflammation, beans help lower the risk of various types of cancer.
And it also reduces the risk of developing cancer. Beans, simple, inexpensive, delicious. And actually, when you cook beans, when you make a pot of beans, you usually have more than you can eat at one sitting. So guess what? Saves time too, because you got leftovers to eat the next day.
Beans also contain bioactive compounds called polyphenols, which have anti-cancer properties. These compounds can stop the growth of cancer cells and even help eliminate them from your body. Some studies have suggested that eating beans regularly can reduce the risk of certain cancers, including colon, breast, and prostate cancer. According to a study published in Foods in 2023, researchers explored the health benefits of two types of common beans, cannellino and piaudolino, particularly their potential to fight colon cancer. They examined how traditional cooking methods, like soaking and boiling, followed by digestion, affect the bean's ability to combat cancer cells. The study found that extracts from these cooked beans significantly reduced the growth of colon cancer cells in laboratory tests. Specifically, when treated with a certain concentration of the bean extracts, the cancer cells showed a marked decrease in vitality and ability to form new colonies, indicating that the beans could effectively inhibit cancer growth. One of the most interesting findings was that these bean extracts seemed to specifically target cancer cells without harming normal cells, which is a crucial aspect of cancer treatment. The researchers discovered that the extracts triggered a process called autophagy, which helps the body eliminate damaged cells, including cancerous ones. They noted that while the water used for soaking and cooking the beans did not show any anti-cancer effects, the extracts obtained after digestion were quite powerful. This study supports the idea that including beans in our diet may help lower the risk of certain cancers, especially colon cancer. Beans are especially good for your gut bacteria because they are high in fiber. A study by the University of Guelph in Ontario and Agriculture and Agri-Foods Canada looked at the effect of navy beans and black beans on the gut. Mice were fed either standard chow or chow made with cooked navy beans or black beans for 3 weeks. The amount of beans was equivalent to a human eating 1.6 cups of navy beans or 1.2 cups of black beans per day. The study found that the mice who ate beans had a 71-fold increase in a healthy bacteria called Prevotella, which produces substances that reduce inflammation. There was also a 2.3-fold increase in another bacteria called Ruminococcus, which helps break down plant cells to create these anti-inflammatory substances. The researchers also looked at the effect of the beans on the protective mucus lining of the intestines and the gut barrier, both linked to gut bacteria. More mucus protects the gut, and a strong gut lining stops harmful substances from leaking into your body. The mice that ate beans had an 81% decrease in harmful bacteria that break down this protective mucus. The protective mucus-secreting cells in the upper colon increased by 60% in mice fed navy beans and by 120% in mice fed black beans. In the lower colon, these cells increased by 57% in mice fed black beans. These studies show how both black beans and navy beans can create healthy conditions in the gut. Other beans like chickpeas, lentils, and peas are expected to have similar benefits.
Food number 1 that can do it. Beans. It turns out that beans, like we're talking about white beans, pinto beans, black beans, we're talking about lentils, we're talking about chickpeas, a whole category of beans and legumes. They've been studied for their ability to fire up your metabolism. Now, beans have dietary fiber. The dietary fiber is good for the gut microbiome, so it's all good.
Another reason Dr. Lee recommends beans is their role in maintaining a healthy weight. Beans are low in calories and high in fiber and protein, which helps you feel full and reduces overall calorie intake. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for cancer prevention since obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers. Beans are also good for your heart. They can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart function. By supporting heart health, beans contribute to overall well-being and reduce the risk of heart disease, which is important for cancer patients and survivors. Beans are versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes, from soups and salads to main courses and snacks. This makes them an easy and convenient addition to a healthy diet. If you found value in this video so far and appreciate the many hours of effort that went into creating it, please consider liking the video and leaving a comment to support the channel. Spinach. Dr. Lee recommends spinach for its exceptional health benefits, particularly in fighting cancer and promoting overall well-being. Spinach is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, C, and K, folate, iron, and calcium.
So some iron-rich foods that you can eat include leafy greens like spinach is well known being a source of iron, but legumes are also really great. Lentils are an example, and other beans. So it's not just a single food to choose, but a variety of foods that all can contain iron. Now, the reason that this is also important is that many of the foods that I just mentioned, the spinach, the lentils, the apples, also can help to increase and elevate your metabolism by giving you more energy. And studies have actually shown, both in the lab as well as in human studies, that these types of foods not only replenish your iron, but actually help to burn body fat in ways that do give you more energy and elevate your metabolism.
These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and preventing various diseases. Spinach is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are significant contributors to the development of cancer. By reducing these harmful processes, spinach helps lower the risk of various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. The antioxidants in spinach can neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to cancer.
Which produces nitric oxide, the same thing that spinach and beets actually help our body produce, actually stimulates regeneration, and nerves will actually start to sprout new nerves. Okay. And it actually downregulates the gene that creates a protein called tau that builds up and clogs up your brain in Alzheimer's disease.
Moreover, spinach contains chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Chlorophyll can bind to carcinogenic substances in the body, helping to prevent them from causing damage to cells. This detoxifying effect is especially beneficial for protecting against liver and colon cancer. Spinach is also a great source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in spinach supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and overall gut health. A healthy gut microbiome can help protect against colorectal cancer and other digestive disorders. Additionally, the high fiber content of spinach aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting overall colon health. Another reason Dr. Lee recommends spinach is its ability to support heart health. Spinach is high in nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure.
Everyone knows that spinach is good for you, but a lot of people don't know why it's good for you. It turns out that spinach, which grows very close to the ground, is a great source of dietary nitrates. When you make the food taste and you chew it, it turns out the microbiome on your tongue, healthy gut bacteria in your tongue, will convert the nitrogen into a form that when you swallow it, turns in your body into nitric oxide. And this actually helps to widen your blood vessels and lower your blood pressure.
By promoting healthy blood circulation and lowering blood pressure, spinach helps reduce the risk of heart disease, which is a significant concern for cancer patients and survivors. Spinach is also low in calories and high in nutrients, making it an excellent food for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for cancer prevention, as obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers. The combination of low calories and high nutrient density makes spinach a valuable addition to any diet aimed at promoting overall health and reducing cancer risk. Additionally, spinach contains compounds called saponins, which have been found to have anti-cancer properties. Saponins can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, the process of programmed cell death that helps eliminate potentially cancerous cells from the body. Spinach can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from salads and smoothies to soups and main courses. Oats. Dr. Lee recommends oats for their numerous health benefits, especially in promoting heart health, supporting digestion, and reducing the risk of cancer. Oats are rich in essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a highly nutritious addition to any diet. One of the primary reasons Dr. Lee advocates for oats is their high fiber content, particularly a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan.
But beta-glucan is also found in oats, as I mentioned to you. Now, researchers in the lab have found that beta-glucan is super anti-inflammatory. And not only that, beta-glucan also lowers cholesterol, so it's good for our blood lipids, and it's a source of dietary fiber from oats that actually feeds our gut microbiome.
Beta-glucan is known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This helps reduce the risk of heart disease, which is a significant concern for overall health, and particularly for cancer patients and survivors. The fiber in oats also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for digestion, immune function, and overall gut health. A well-balanced gut microbiome can help protect against colorectal cancer and other digestive disorders. Additionally, the high fiber content in oats aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting overall colon health. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, such as avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties.
Now, oatmeal is good for you. It turns out that oatmeal, which is made out of oats, which is a whole grain, is something that actually helps your body in all kinds of different ways. So let's go look at some of those details. First, what's in an oat? Oats, like other plant-based foods, contain natural bioactives. One of them is called avenanthromide, and also beta-glucan, beta-D-glucan. So avenanthromide and beta-glucan are actually some of the natural bioactives, two important natural bioactives that are found in oats and in oatmeal. All right, and it's anti-inflammatory even when you rub the oatmeal bioactive avenanthromide on top of the skin. So you might imagine what happens when you actually have avenanthromide inside your body. So we're going to talk about that in just 1 second. Now, beta-D-glucan, the other oat-derived natural bioactive, is known as a soluble fiber. And you've probably already recognized that fibers are good for gut health.
These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and lead to cancer development. By reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals, oats can lower the risk of various types of cancer. According to a review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, oats have shown promising health benefits, particularly in relation to cancer prevention. The study, which involved over 120,000 participants from Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, found that consuming whole grain oat products was linked to a significant reduction in overall mortality, including cancer-related deaths. Participants who ate more breakfast cereals and whole grains, especially oats and wheat, had lower cancer mortality rates. Additionally, another study focused on women and discovered that those who consistently consumed oatmeal during their teenage years and midlife had a reduced risk of developing breast cancer. However, the same study did not find a similar protective effect for prostate cancer among men, suggesting that while oats may benefit certain types of cancer, they might not be effective for all. The review also highlights the presence of special compounds in oats called avenanthramides, which have strong antioxidant properties that could help prevent cancer. Another benefit of oats is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in oats slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition, as stable blood sugar levels are important for overall health and can help prevent complications related to diabetes. Oats are also an excellent food for weight management. They are low in calories and high in fiber and protein, which helps promote a feeling of fullness and reduces overall calorie intake. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for cancer prevention, as obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers. The combination of low calories, high fiber, and protein makes oats a valuable addition to any diet, aimed at promoting overall health and reducing cancer risk. Furthermore, oats contain important minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which are essential for various bodily functions, including maintaining strong bones, supporting the immune system, and promoting healthy skin. By including oats in your meals, you can consistently enjoy their numerous health benefits. aligning with Dr. Lee's recommendations for foods that promote heart health, support digestion, and reduce cancer risk. Tree nuts. Dr. Lee recommends tree nuts for their amazing health benefits, especially in reducing the risk of cancer and promoting overall well-being. Tree nuts like almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, and hazelnuts are packed with essential nutrients, including healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. One of the main reasons Dr. Lee suggests eating tree nuts is because they contain a lot of healthy fats. These fats are good for your heart because they help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. This reduces the risk of heart disease, which is very important for everyone, especially those dealing with cancer. Tree nuts are also full of antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. Antioxidants help fight damage in your body and reduce inflammation, both of which can lead to cancer. By eating tree nuts, you can lower your risk of developing various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Tree nuts also have special compounds that help fight cancer. For example, walnuts contain ellagic acid, which can stop cancer cells from growing and even help kill them. Other nuts like almonds and hazelnuts have similar compounds that are linked to preventing cancer. Research has shown that tree nuts are very beneficial. One major study in Europe found that eating 1.5 servings of tree nuts, like 22 walnut halves, each day can reduce the risk of developing colon cancer by 31%. Another study involving 13 major cancer centers, including Harvard University and Duke University, found that eating just 2 servings of tree nuts each week reduced the risk of death by 53% for patients with stage 3 colon cancer who are undergoing chemotherapy. Additionally, a study led by Harvard Medical School looked at 826 patients with stage 3 colon cancer who had surgery and found that eating 2 servings of tree nuts each week was linked to a 57% lower risk of death. Beyond cancer prevention, tree nuts are great for your digestive system because they are high in fiber. The fiber in tree nuts helps grow good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for digestion and a strong immune system. A healthy gut can help protect against colon cancer and other digestive problems. The fiber also helps keep your bowel movements regular, preventing constipation and promoting overall colon health. Tree nuts are also helpful for maintaining a healthy weight. Even though they are high in calories, studies have shown that regularly eating tree nuts is associated with lower body weight and a reduced risk of obesity. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in tree nuts helps you feel full, so you eat less overall. Keeping a healthy weight is crucial for preventing cancer, as obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers. Tree nuts also provide important vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium, selenium, and zinc, which are essential for various bodily functions, including supporting your immune system, promoting healthy skin, and maintaining strong bones. They also contain omega-3 fats, which are known for their heart protective properties and ability to inhibit the growth of blood vessels that can feed cancer cells. Tree nuts have also been shown to aid in weight loss. A study conducted in Australia found that participants, who included 7 whole walnuts daily in their diet, lost significantly more weight than those who did not.
Walnuts have also been shown to kill colon cancer stem cells as well. Now, if you do have colon cancer, there has been a research study, a big one, with more than 700 patients with stage 3 colorectal cancer, showing that people who ate just 2 fistfuls of tree nuts, like walnuts, per week, actually had a dramatically, like a 70% lower risk of mortality, all right?
The study showed that walnut eaters lost 23% more weight than those who received personalized dietary advice and 54% more than those who received general dietary advice. Further supporting these findings, a long-term study of over 51,000 women found that those who ate tree nuts twice a week gained 75% less weight than those who rarely ate nuts.
Not tree nuts, tomato pastes, all these kinds of foods actually have been shown to activate brown fat in the lab. They actually activate metabolic stuff. So all the foods that I talk about in the book have human evidence. So I explain the lab, but then I also show the human research.
Another study in Spain found that people who ate nuts at least twice a week had a 31% lower risk of gaining significant weight and a 50% lower risk of becoming obese. Tree nuts are versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes, from snacks and salads to main courses and desserts. This makes them an easy and convenient addition to a healthy diet. Avocado. Dr. Lee recommends avocados for their amazing health benefits, especially in reducing the risk of cancer and promoting overall well-being. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. One of the main reasons Dr. Lee suggests eating avocados is because they contain a lot of healthy fats called monounsaturated fats.
Hey, Dr. Will Lee here. I want to show you something. This is a very healthy produce you can find in the market, avocado. It's a great source of dietary fiber and healthy fats, monounsaturated, called oleic acid. Basically, oleic acid is the same stuff you find in olive oil. So, if you want to benefit your circulation, your blood vessels, and your gut health, think about avocados.
These fats are good for your heart because they help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. A healthy heart is crucial for everyone, especially those at risk of or battling cancer. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which help fight damage in your body and reduce inflammation. Both of these factors are linked to the development of cancer. By eating avocados, you can help lower your risk of various types of cancer. Avocados also contain a unique compound called avocado B, which has been shown to target and kill certain cancer cells, like leukemia stem cells, without harming healthy cells. Another reason Dr. Lee recommends avocados is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system.
First food is avocado. Now, avocado actually is really great for gut health because it is loaded with dietary fiber. And the dietary fiber from avocados feeds your healthy gut microbiome. And a healthy gut microbiome lowers inflammation. The other thing that avocado does is actually makes your body more sensitive to insulin. It allows your body to actually draw in that fuel, that energy from sugar and carbs that you might have in your diet as well.
It helps the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which is important for digestion and a strong immune system. A healthy gut can help protect against colon cancer and other digestive problems. Fiber also keeps your bowel movements regular, preventing constipation and promoting overall colon health. Avocados contain several compounds that help fight fat, including chlorogenic acid and proanthocyanidin, which are also found in apples and blueberries. These compounds, along with others like lutein and zeaxanthin, help your body burn fat for energy. Eating avocados can help slim your belly.
But it turns out foods like chili peppers, like avocado, like walnuts, like capers, are all capable of firing off this switch. And so what I do in my book is, and the research that went into this is like, there's 150 foods that have been discovered, along with the doses of how much it takes to fire off your brown fat.
A study from the University of Illinois found that women who ate one avocado a day for 12 weeks reduced their belly fat by 5%. Avocados are also helpful for weight management. They are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats and fiber, which makes you feel full and reduces your overall calorie intake. Keeping a healthy weight is important for cancer prevention, as obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers. Avocados are very filling. Their fiber helps you feel satisfied and less hungry later. A whole avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber, which is half of the daily recommended amount for women and 25% for men. This makes avocados good for your gut health as they act as prebiotic foods that nourish your gut bacteria. Additionally, avocado B in avocados has been shown to help with diet-induced obesity. Researchers found that this compound improved insulin sensitivity in mice fed a high-fat diet and also slowed their weight gain. Initial human studies showed that avocado B is safe and can help with weight loss. By including avocados in your meals, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits consistently.